Welcome to our roundup of the best FPV quadcopter options. Whether you want fast aerial maneuvers, stable flight performance, or an immersive first-person flying experience, we've selected the top FPV drones that balance speed, handling, camera quality, and smart features. We will break down each model's key specs like flight stability, motor performance, camera capabilities, and GPS functions, helping you choose the perfect quadcopter for your flying style. Do not forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal FPV quadcopter for you. The first on the list is the DWI new M66. The M66 is built for beginners and casual flyers who want an FPV drone that is lightweight, agile, and simple to control. With its compact build and responsive motors, it delivers smooth indoor and outdoor flight, making it a great entry point for anyone transitioning into FPV flying. One of its notable advantages is the real-time FPV transmission, which allows pilots to see a live feed directly from the onboard camera. This enhances situational awareness and makes flight training much easier. The drone also includes smart altitude hold, one-key return, and automatic takeoff and landing, giving new pilots confidence while learning. Durability is another strong point, thanks to its flexible protective frame that absorbs impacts during minor crashes. Overall, the M66 is a compact and friendly FPV quadcopter perfect for beginners who want stable flight, quick controls, and a safe learning platform without spending too much. Next up is the SO L600 Pro. The L600 Pro is a great step up for pilots who want more serious features without paying for premium models. With GPS positioning, optical flow stabilization, and a smart return-to-home system, it provides secure and reliable flight performance even in windy conditions. Its brushless motors offer stronger power output, quieter operation, and longer lifespan, making the drone more efficient for outdoor flying. The built-in wide-angle camera captures high-resolution photos and videos, and the FPV feed streams smoothly to your smartphone, giving you better visibility and more control over framing. The L600 Pro also features advanced flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Orbit Mode, making aerial photography more creative and accessible. Overall, the L600 Pro is a dependable, feature-packed FPV quadcopter that offers excellent value for pilots who want stable video, GPS safety, and strong brushless performance. Next, we have the Songlinsel E88 GT. The E88 GT stands out with its powerful brushless motors and enhanced aerial capabilities. These motors deliver improved speed, better wind resistance, and longer service life compared to brushed versions. The drone's FPV camera captures crisp footage with adjustable angles, giving pilots more flexibility when framing shots or exploring landscapes. Its strong flight stability comes from a combination of air pressure altitude hold, brushless power, and enhanced FPV transmission, making the aircraft smooth and reliable even in challenging environments. The E88 GT also includes gesture controls, waypoint mapping, and several intelligent flight modes that allow hands-free shooting and automated movements. Its foldable design makes it portable and convenient for field sessions. Overall, the E88 GT is a strong choice for drone pilots who want an affordable brushless FPV quadcopter with smooth performance, good camera capabilities, and reliable stability. Next up is the V168 Pro Max. This drone combines advanced GPS features with high-performance flight mechanics, making it ideal for aerial exploration and immersive FPV experiences. Its dual positioning system uses GPS plus optical flow, ensuring precise hovering and steady flight during recording. The 4K camera with shock absorption delivers clear, steady video even during fast directional changes. Pilots can enjoy a stable FPV feed that remains smooth over long distances, adding confidence when flying in unfamiliar areas. The V168 Pro Max includes Follow Me mode, intelligent tracking, surround flight, and electronic image stabilization to enhance dynamic aerial footage. The brushless motors provide efficient lift, strong acceleration, and reliable wind resistance, while the long battery life supports extended flights perfect for both practice and cinematic flights. Overall, the V168 Pro Max is an outstanding FPV quadcopter for pilots who want precision GPS, strong brushless performance, and crisp aerial footage without breaking the budget. The last one on our list is the Roborock GT50 Pro. The GT50 Pro is a top-tier FPV quadcopter engineered for serious flyers who want power, long range, and advanced flight control. Equipped with dual-frequency GPS, long-distance FPV transmission, and a high-speed brushless propulsion system, it delivers exceptional stability and responsiveness. This drone is designed for high-performance flying, offering fast acceleration, strong wind resistance, and precise handling for both racing-style maneuvers and smooth cinematic recording. Its upgraded 4K camera includes electronic stabilization for sharper and more fluid footage. The GT50 Pro's intelligent safety features include auto return, low battery protection, and multi-sensor stabilization, making long-distance flights safer. Overall, the GT50 Pro stands out as a premium FPV quadcopter built for enthusiasts who demand maximum performance, long-range connectivity, and professional-grade flight stability. So that's it for the best FPV quadcopters available now. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.